Right, so here is the best way on how you can update your PC or laptop on Windows 11. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can update your PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So yes, updating your PC on Windows 11 is very easy and simple. So what you have to do is just simply go to your settings. And once you're inside settings, what you have to do is just simply type in Windows Update. So just like that, if you cannot find Windows Update, it will be on the top corner as well, and it will be like in the front. So you just need to go ahead and press on Windows Update, and right here it will bring you to Update right here. So yeah, I am on Windows 10, but it's pretty simple. So here, as you can see, right now it's telling me to update my PC into this version. But if I press on check for updates, it will do the checking as well, and it will check all the updates that I need to do for my PC. And here, as you can see, it's checking, and it's pretty much the same thing for your Windows 11 as well. So yeah, this is it on how you can update your PC or laptop in Windows 11. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.